Hey, so I'm creating this MVP app for with Bravo, and basically I'm trying to automate everything as much as I can. So what I'm doing is I have Stitch by Google, which is basically gonna design all the frames and screens for the whole UI for my app, and then I would bravorize that and turn it into a real front end, and then I will go on and develop the backend with Xano. So the easiest way I found to do this is basically asking Claude or ChatGPT to generate the prompt for me. So I've been discussing with ChatGPT my app, the concept, and the screens that I should have for the MVP. And what I'm gonna do now is simply paste a prompt that GPT generated for me. So you can see I'm saying, hey, create an elegant mobile app designed for a philosophy app called Neuma, and it should have the following screen. So a welcome screen, a philosopher section where you can select the philosopher you want to talk to, a chat interface. This is where we'll build the web component to have a chatbot embedded, then a paywall screen, and a very simple profile or setting screens. And that's it. I also say something, add some context about the typography or the style that my UI should have, and then we'll just go and generate designs. So what it will do now, it won't get it right at the first pass, but it will generate something good enough for me to start mocking it up and turning that into a front end in Bravo. So that's it. Once I have it, I will just paste it. So it generates something like this, which is pretty good. It also generates the images, for now mock images, but you can see it's really good. So once I have this, I will start bravorizing everything. So this is my home screen, and I will show you later how to turn this into Bravo in an easy and quick way. So after a few iterations, so you can continue just giving it prompts to adjust like the font or the copy or the images, anything you want, or you can edit so you select here by clicking edit, you select the specific screen and then say something like, please change the font to, or whatever you want. I personally like it like this. I just edited the theme, so I selected like just a dark theme here and then the color, and that's it. But you can do much more. You can do pretty much whatever you want, but I personally prefer to just get it going. So once I have this, you see this copy to Figma button. So what I would do is I would probably change the button here, but to stand out a bit more, but let's say I'm happy with this. So I would copy this and then come to my Figma file and just paste it, right? So from here, I would do the same with every screen. So for now, it's pretty simple. We have 5 screens, and then I would start bravorizing this screen.